Hey, you need this device in your car. Did you know that we spend an average of 2 hours a day inside our cars? During that time, we're exposed to a dry and uncomfortable environment that can negatively impact our health and well-being. But what if I told you there's a simple and effective solution to transform your car experience? The answer to the problems of dry and uncomfortable air while you drive. This small device is designed to increase the humidity of the air, providing significant benefits for you and your family. First, the Car Air Humidifier helps alleviate common issues such as dry skin, irritated eyes, and a parched throat caused by low humidity. Say goodbye to discomfort. Additionally, the Car Air Humidifier reduces allergy symptoms and respiratory problems like sneezing and nasal congestion. Imagine the feeling of breathing in clean and refreshing air while stuck in traffic. But wait, there's more. This device also creates a more pleasant and relaxing environment inside your car, improving your mood and concentration while driving. It's never been so comfortable to hit the road. And the best part? The Car Air Humidifier is easy to install and use. Simply connect it to your vehicle's air vent, add water, and turn it on. In seconds, you'll have a more humid and healthier environment around you. With a variety of models available on the market, you can choose the Car Air Humidifier that best suits your style and needs. So, don't wait any longer. Transform your car experience with the Car Air Humidifier. Your body and mind will thank you. Try it out and discover why so many people are already saying, "I need this." Your health and comfort are our priority. Visit our website or contact us for more information.